We always say in Kundalini Yoga, if you can breathe, you can do it. So let's learn how to breathe. According to yoga, conscious breathing is a main line for prana, life force. So the more we breathe consciously, the more alive we'll be in terms of vitality and longevity. And best of all, it's free. There are 3 types of breath in Kundalini Yoga: breath of fire, long deep breathing, and segmented breathing. We'll start with segmented breathing, which is when we breathe in increments. Today we're going to do 4 strokes in and 4 strokes out. Have your hands in prayer pose. We're going to breathe in strokes through the nose. Inhale 4, exhale 4. Let's begin. In, out, 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 out. 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 Relax the breath. Now we're going to practice long, deep breathing. So we're going to inhale through our nose and exhale through our nose. As we inhale, we're going to fill the bottom of our lungs, the middle of our lungs, and the top of our lungs. And as we exhale, we empty from the top of the lungs, the middle of the lungs, and the bottom of the lungs. At the end of the exhale, draw your navel in to release the last thread of breath. And as you inhale, keep the belly slightly pressurized so that the breath spreads more evenly throughout the torso. Long, deep breathing is a tonic for the nervous system. We call long, deep breathing organic psychotherapy because it helps us unarmor ourselves from the pains and patterns of the past. Long, deep breathing also massages our internal organs and helps bring us into natural alignment. Have your fingers on your diaphragm. If you're doing this breath right, your fingers should separate both ways, this way and that way. Let's give it a try. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And bring your hands to your lap and keep going. Inhale like a wave moving upwards, relaxing your belly, ribs, and upper chest. And exhale, follow the wave back, emptying your upper chest, your ribs, and your belly. Remembering to keep your belly pressurized and your diaphragm relaxed. The breath will tell you where you're holding in your body. Allow yourself to release those areas. Inhale deeply and relax. Good job. And now we're going to learn the breath of fire. A somewhat rapid rhythmic breath, even on the in and out, all through the nose. We like to say that breath of fire is more aerobic than aerobics. It oxygenates the blood and puts us in rhythm with ourselves. This is how we like to teach the breath of fire. Extend your tongue and begin a panting breath over the extended tongue. Think happy little puppy. Now draw the tongue in and transfer your breath to your nose, keeping the rhythm. Voila! You're doing the breath of fire. Don't forget to keep your diaphragm relaxed. Lips together, face relaxed. If you're not able to sustain the breath of fire, it most likely means your diaphragm is not letting go. So keep relaxing this area and let the breath breathe you. Let the breath of fire take you higher. Now inhale deeply and relax. Meditate for a moment and feel how you feel, and let yourself feel good. Great work, everyone.